Hello YouTube's Sovereign Computers here today, and today we're going to show you a computer build that's for sale. Now what's included in the computer build is the NZXT 810 switch computer case. Inside, of course, we have the Asus Z77 Sabertooth motherboard, and the processor that's on the motherboard is the Intel Ivy Bridge 3770K. And the K is of course for overclocking, so you can have extreme performance boosts. The processor is liquid cooled by the NZXT Kraken X60, which is a 280mm radiator closed loop system. That way you don't have to do any refills or any kind of maintenance on it. The RAM on the motherboard is g.skil, 16 gigabytes of RAM. The video card is the Sapphire Radeon HD 7970. This can play any game on the market currently at the highest quality graphics setting. It has 3 gigabytes of video RAM. The number of fans in the case are 6, comes with 6 140mm fans. This setup cools the case perfectly. It does not overheat, it doesn't get hot inside. The temperatures recorded on the processor are about 39 to 32 degrees Celsius. This is perfect for gaming, and at maximum load the temperatures recorded are below 60 degrees Celsius. The highest ever recorded was 59 degrees Celsius. It comes with 2 120 gigabyte solid state drives, HyperX drives. They have RAID 0 together for faster performance, and it also includes a 1 terabyte Western Digital hard drive to store the rest of your files on there. The price of this build altogether is going to be $2,549, including shipping. And that's about it. If you have any questions, you can contact us at an email or YouTube channel that will be in the description below. I'm like a ball player who is in his prime with these rhymes. They claim that the flow is sublime, but this is what I got, and in the meantime I'm going off.
What's called? We forgot to mention that there is a NZXT Hue and a Corsair HX 750 watt power supply, and that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Peace.